Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. So today we are going to discuss the second part of chapter 2, that is role of computers in learning and teaching. In the last class we have discussed about the uses of computers in the different fields like homes, schools, offices, railway stations, banks, airports, the different places where computers are found and the uses of computers in those places, right? So today we are going to discuss about the role of computers in learning and teaching. Means how the computers they helpful for both the students as well as for the teachers. So all of you take out page number 18 in your computer textbook. Chapter 2 page number 18. Okay. The role of computers in learning and teaching. Computers are changing the world very fast. To keep up with these changes, we should also bring changes in our way of learning. Means the world is changing, yes, and in order to adapt ourselves with these changes, we also have to bring changes in our way of learning, right? The computer is a wonderful tool. It has made learning easy and interesting for the students. So the computer, it has made learning possible outside the classroom also. Now see, you're at your house, but still you cannot go to school, but still you are studying. Still classes are going on, online classes are going on, right? So how it is possible? It is possible because of the computer only. The computer has made possible learning outside the classroom also, right? The computer, it has made learning interesting and easy also for the students. Now let us discuss how it has made easy and interesting for the students. Okay, the first point, lots of information at a click. A computer with the internet acts as an ocean of information. Both students and teachers can benefit from it. They can search any question and get answers for the same at just a click. So the internet, all of you know what is the internet. You all search things in the Google, right? The internet, it acts as an ocean of information. Means it is a source, it is a huge source of information. Any information you want, you can get it from the internet. Any information, any answers, any question answers you want, any answer if you want the question answer to any question, be it maths, be it EVS, be it English, Assamese, anything you want, you can get it from the internet. So the internet, it is very helpful for the students. You get a lot of help from the internet in doing your homeworks also. Suppose you don't know an answer to a question, you can just type it in the Google and you'll get the answer. So the internet, it is very helpful for the students. Now how does it help the teachers? Teachers get material on any topic and get ideas on various activities such as quizzes, worksheets, and setting question papers. We teachers, we take idea from the internet to set the worksheets, to set your question papers, to set quiz cards. So the internet, it is not only helpful for the students, it is also helpful for the teachers. Okay. Next point, better presentation. With the help of a computer, information can be easily modified and presented in a better way, right? Suppose you're writing a topic on anything, okay? On the computer, you can just modify it and you can present it in a better way. How? How? You can add pictures, you can add the title, you can change the color of the title, you can write the title in a different font, you can add pictures, you can give colors, you can underline, you can write it in bold. Okay, so these are possible using the computer. So any information, it can be modified and it can be presented in a better way. Next, use of audio visual aids. Now what is the meaning of audio visual aids? Audio means anything that you can hear and video means that you can see. Okay, so audio visual aids. With the help of different audio and video clips, teachers can make their lessons interactive. Colors, sounds, and movement of objects are a fun element to the learning process. So, all of you have seen the digital board in your classroom, right? Teacher makes use of the digital board. Now, what is so special about the board? What is so special about learning in the digital board? Suppose you're learning a chapter on EVS. Yes, you're learning a chapter on EVS. Suppose the parts of the plant. Okay, when the teacher shows you in the digital board, you can see it as well as you can also hear. You can also, suppose a teacher tells you a story. Suppose a teacher is telling you a story, showing you a story in the digital board. You can see, right? You you can see the video clip, also you can hear, and whenever you see and hear, then you learn something more easily. Okay, so this audio and video clips has made learning more easier. And the color, sounds and movement of the objects, they add a fun element to the learning process. Means the color, sounds and movement, anything you see on the digital board, it is very it adds a fun element to the learning process. It makes learning fun. Yes, it makes learning fun. Learning is not boring, it makes it fun, right? Next, teachers can make use of educational games and CDs to motivate the students and help them to learn in a playway method. So teachers, they show you some educational games and they can show you CDs also on the digital board, and you can learn in a more easy manner, in a playway method. Okay. Next, smart classes. Smart classes have made teaching and learning more effective. Now, what are smart classes? A digital board, use of the digital board. Smart class is a digitally enhanced technology that has made your learning more effective. Effective means more beneficial, more helpful. Okay. So the smart class is the digital board, the use of audiovisual aids. It has made learning more interesting, more effective. Okay. Next, online teaching and testing. Now, how the computer helps in online teaching and testing? Online teaching, it is going on. I'm teaching you maths, I'm teaching you computer, right? How it is possible? It is possible only because of the computer. Sitting at homes, studying is possible only because of the computer. Before, when computers were not there, education was possible only inside the classroom. But now, because of the computers, education is not limited to the classroom anymore. Means education is possible outside the classroom also. Okay, you are sitting at your house, I am in my house, still we are interacting with each other, right? We are talking with each other. How? With the use of the computer. So the computer has made learning, online teaching, learning outside the classroom also. Okay, even we are miles apart, means even we are far away from each other, still we can interact with each other, still we can talk with each other, we can learn. I can teach you, you can learn, yes, using the computer. Next, online test can be conducted and results can be generated in short time. Means now your chapter test you all are giving, PT1 exam is coming, this online tests also I can take using the computer. And whenever taking online test and giving out the results, it is more easier doing it on the computer. Giving out results, I can give you the results in a short time, right? If I take you the chapter test today, after 2 days only I can give you the results, because working on the computer is very fast. Computer makes work very faster. Okay, so online test and results can be generated in shorter amount of time. Okay, so with this we have come to the end of the chapter. Yes, with the end of the chapter. So the fill in the blanks, the MCQs and the match the following, I'm going to post it in the Google Classroom. You just see from there and write it in your textbook. Okay, write it in your textbook, and the question answers I'll be posting in the Google Classroom. You have to write it in your classwork copy. Only the question answers you have to write it in your classwork copy, but the MCQ, the fill in the blanks and the match the following, that you have to do it in your textbook itself. Okay, with this we have come to the end of chapter 2, and in the next class, one more class we'll get before PT1, right? So we are going to discuss both the chapters, the important parts from both the chapters. Okay, I'm going to explain again. We are going to do a revision class of both the chapters. Okay, so I'll end the class.